Welcome. Today, we're walking through the process of submitting your MOM Occupational Employment Dataset, or OED, using cuteOffice. From the main dashboard, go to the left sidebar. Click on Others and select MOM OED Submission. This is where you manage your OED submissions. To start a new report, click the blue New Submission button in the top right corner. Before your first submission, you'll need to complete a one-time Employee Details configuration. By default, all mandatory data required by MOM is enabled. You can also toggle additional optional data fields, such as education or department, if your organization wishes to include them. Once configured, simply click Save. Now, select your company from the drop-down menu and choose the relevant month and year. Click the search icon to generate the employee list. The system will automatically pull employee details, including job titles and working hours. Scroll through to ensure all data is accurate. Once the data is verified, click Submit. A preview window will appear, summarizing your total employees, new joiners, and exits. If everything is correct, click Agree and Proceed. You will be redirected to the Singpass login page. Scan the QR code or enter your credentials to log in as a CorpPass user. On the Apex permission page, click Allow to authorize cuteOffice to securely transmit your employment data to the Ministry of Manpower. Wait for the process to complete. Once you see the Submitted the OED successfully message, click OK. You can now see your submission marked as success in the main list. Shortly after, you will receive an official email confirmation from MOM. This email will verify the number of validated records and confirm that no further action is required from your side. Your MOM OED submission is now complete. Thanks for watching.